Today we will explore innovative devices for lifting beehives, making them easier to transport and inspect. We all know that hives are heavy and sometimes impractical to carry by hand, so these devices are real lifesavers for every beekeeper. Most hobby beekeepers are usually retired. Let's start with the cart for lifting individual hives. These compact but powerful devices allow you to easily move the hives from one place to another. Their movable platform and firmly fixed supports make lifting the hives a simple task. In addition, some models even have adjustable handles and brakes for added stability.
Introducing the American Hive Lifter. The basic characteristics of the device are that it has two catchers that can be adjusted for different types of hives. The durable 12V10A battery can lift heavy hive loads up to 100 times before needing a recharge. It lifts up to 4 extensions with a total weight of up to 160 kilograms. It has a battery indicator that shows when charging is required. It is light, durable, and has an aluminum frame. The horizontal design allows it to be more stable and work in the field. Ideal for independent work and inspection of hives. Easy to transport and store. They also have models with manual winch and without battery. You can find all the information in the link below the video.
Allow us to introduce you to Hungary's newly developed product, the Hive Lift. Many beekeepers find it difficult to manage and move stacking hives. In order to facilitate the work, they developed a tool that helps beekeepers who work alone. With this system, the hives can be lifted without a special fork, but by means of a special structure for catching on the side. Therefore, the hives do not need to have side slots for carrying. In this way, we can lift or move one or an entire row of hives onto the loading surface of the car. Note that the hives must be tied together as one unit during transport. By lifting one body of the beehive, we can easily check the state of the litter and possibly replace the floor. The height of the stroller is 164 centimeters. The total weight is 34.5 kilograms. The maximum lifting load is 100 kilograms. Check other features and all models in the link below the video. What is the main advantage of this tool is the electric drive on the wheels. When transporting on uneven and hilly terrain, it shows its true strength and ease of handling.
Beekeepers are known for innovation and do-it-yourself tools. Let's look at a few such examples. This beekeeper made self-clamping V-shaped grips. These are practical, but only for lifting individual boxes. We see a similar performance in this video. Here we see a box hoist with a hand winch. The purpose is only to inspect the litter box or weigh the hive.
What if you are faced with the need to raise multiple hives at once? For this purpose, beehive kit lifting cranes are the ideal solution. These powerful devices are designed to lift an entire set of hives at once, saving you time and effort. Their strength and stability allow you to safely transport a large number of hives with minimal effort. When talking about safety, it is important to note that these devices are usually equipped with safety mechanisms to prevent injury and damage to the hives. Carefully designed hooks or clamps ensure stable holding of the beehives during lifting, which reduces the risk of falling or damage. One of the advantages of using such devices is the possibility of faster and more efficient inspection of the beehives. When the hives are placed at the right height, beekeepers have easier access to all parts of the hive without having to kneel or lift heavily. Most of these cranes are mounted on a trailer or a small pickup truck. Depending on the terrain where the bees are driven as well as the number of colonies, the most important element when using it is the stability of the platform. It is achieved with a wide undercarriage of the trailer, or more often with additional legs. They can be installed manually or with the help of hydraulics. Most are also equipped with a spirit level for precise alignment. The winches are electric and normally run on either 12 or 24 volts. Controls are on the carrying handle. You can usually set up a new apiary of 30 hives in 10 minutes without getting tired. Unlike various platforms, when moving, unloading, the trailer remains free and you can use it on other apiaries.
When we talk about the transport and handling of more than 50 hives, it is inevitable to mention the Easy Loader. It is a crane mounted on a pickup truck. Electric winch, wide boom range, easy handling and easy assembly. Let's meet Jan Stappler, a Canadian beekeeper from northern Manitoba. He and his wife are beekeepers with over 1,100 production hives. He hires seasonal workers only when lowering brood nest to the floor or when collecting honey and putting escape boards. He has dozens of apiaries and serves them all with one truck. He uses solid floors, which are essentially pallet bases, to carry the hives. Structurally, he decided that the floors and covers fit into each other, which achieves stability when loading one over the other hives. His main pasture is canola, and he can have up to 5 LR hive extensions per colony. Without this crane, it would be unthinkable to carry or load hives. Management is so simple that even children can manage it. By the way, Jan is known for keeping his honeybees in a closed warehouse in the dark during the winter for a full 6 months without cleansing flights. The method is successful and very practical. You can find more about all this on his channel with the link below.
And finally, it's time to mention the mega transports of bees during the industrial pollination of orchards. Then pallets and forklifts are inevitable because it is necessary to quickly load and unload the hives. That's all in this video, and if you like the content, you can give a like or subscribe to our channel for more similar content.